Welcome to the knowledge series and the easy way to basics of LaTeX. Today you are going to learn on mathematics. This is the reference book that is being followed. Mathematics package. As you are well aware about the earlier video series where we oftenly discuss on the minimal commands that you need to know to execute the LaTeX file. So in that, the first command over which we use package, if it is for mathematics, we have to use AMS math or use package math tools. Mathematics is considered as one of the basic components for solving many of the equations, many of the derivations, and all these things we need to know how to execute using a LaTeX file. So mathematics modes are three types: math environment, displayed math environment, or equation environment. Math environments, it start with a begin math and end math. So that is the normal terms. We always know that begin, when we start with begin any in the curly brace, any of the command is there, with respect to that end will also execute. So within that we used to write and execute. If you want to display the small bracket, so we use backslash and we try to display. In the similar way we can use dollars also. Similarly for under the math environment, for display math, when we use a begin display math, we can use end display math. Similarly for begin equations, we can use end equations. Even we can use begin equation star and end equation star. All these things we will see the moment when we try to see some workout examples. So let's go straightway to the TeX Studio. You can see the TeX Studio over here. The TeX Studio starts with the commands like document class. You can see the option is being given, and also the article as extra articles. So in the options is given and the font size and the type of the paper, 20 pt and A4 paper. Here the argument is extra article. The use package is also using a A4 paper, comma margin is giving from of 6 mm, and also it is having a argument of geometry. But here this is the important package, AMS math. The other packages is being used depending upon the needs, but basically this is very essential. So here is when we run this command, you can see on the right side, this is the things that is being appeared. So how it is appearing? So if this is to be if this need to appear, so we give a title, so as a backslash LaTeX backslash mathematics examples. So that is what you can see here, and a author name is being put. Now here begin document, so automatically this make title is being shown over there. So that is what, and table of content, if we need to show, then we can display it. Now otherwise here the important thing is that how this component is being displayed. So based on this, you can see that a command is being shown with respect to the fractions. So here when we try to when we try to run this command, this is a document class 20 pt. Actually it was thus it is having a similar commands. So we show over here a 20 pt A4 extra article. So AMS math is there. and is another package is there, hyperreference. So start with the begin documents. So mathematic equations is being coming. So when we start with the begin equations, we have to start always with begin equations. So begin equations means it is ending with end equations. So we start with the fractions, backslash fracs. So automatically this is the fractions, so it is x plus y, and within a curly brace we take it, and another curly brace is 2. So automatically it will consider as a variables x plus y, and the next component is a divisions. So that's how you can see it is x plus y and 2. The next equation that is being shown as equations 1. Now the second equations, you can see content, and under backslash square root sqrt, and within the curly brace this is x plus y mode. So this is a curly brace automatically, and here it is being considered with notations less than equal to. So since he are not used a fraction, so automatically even if it is a curly brace, it will be following the same row. So it is giving you LEQ and backslash left, and there the fraction is given, and here you can see that it is being showing with respect to the fractions x plus y and 2. So that is what you can see, and on the right side. So this is on the left and right. So within this one you can see the left side is you will be getting this line, and the right side you will be getting this line, which is just like a mode forms. So this is another expressions. Similarly the third expression, so you can see a plus b on the right side is what curly brace, on the left side is also it is saying small bracket, and the left side is also small bracket. Here on the left side you are having a square bracket, on the right side you are having a square bracket. That is what backslash left, backslash right. And within this one fractions is used, so that automatically b by a plus b. That is what you are seeing here, 1 minus this one. Now here when you run it, you are seeing these equations. Let's do one thing, is that we try to put here a star, and we run this command. So the moment when we give a star, automatically there will not be any equation number that you can see as a example for you to observe. So that is what. There is another example that we were seeing earlier. When we run it, it will appears this one, because here the author's name is there. That was the second part. So when we have a title, we have a title is shown here, and an example of a Professor Tony Roberts is shown, December 23, 2020. Why? Because automatically it will show the current date. And make title. So make title is the, since you are given a title here, so automatically make title will show you the appearance. Table of content is given, so that's where the content is being shown. So when we go to the delimiter, it is showing in these forms. So all the example related to the previous example, how it was explained, in the same way these expressions will directly take a one by one example straightforward. So it is a section wise sections, we are seeing section spacing, so that's why section spacing, double integration IINT, so x into y cap square comma dx backslash comma dy. So automatically these commands will be taking a dx dy, that is the for with respect to this command, and followed by one fraction is given, so automatically 1 by 6 will be coming, other will be same here, and here dx dy. So that's how the command is being shown here. Now here this with respect to this command, and if you see this command, two different form of a command is being shown over here, and if you execute, you will be correspondingly seeing it. And like this one, arrays, you can see that you have studied how to create a tables. So ampersand symbol is given, that is how it will segregate each number or a variables with respect to the space, and followed by you are having another one yi, which is a column variables, so that is being shown over here. This is a row, and followed by again a b matrix, because it's a matrix command, so that's how it will be forming this way. Like that you will be seeing a different equations, different functional expressions that is being shown with respect to these expression. And it is always better to refer to my earlier video series with respect to these expressions on how to create tables. So there this matrix is also being shown. This is another additional type you can see over here. AMS math is there, report is also coming, AMS math is there. Another, apart from this, depending upon how you create the text, if it is having a more variable, so you will be having a different type of a package. Otherwise you can able to create the fonts, and you can able to show it for your executions. So based on this one, you can able, here again begin equation, end equations is being used, that those are the command. So altogether you have to understand that mathematics is one of the important tools that you can use it for displaying with the help of LaTeX. So with this, let me conclude here. Thank you.